So now he did just make a left, and now he's going out here. So I don't know if they're just doing a revving cover up, or I've noticed recently that they've started to, maybe this fake line is being audited, the paint jumbo now rev line, because they've done a few turns going this way around the back of my house and then going out there. And now he's doing it the opposite. So the reason why I'm thinking it's been audited is because they always just do everything in the opposite direction, therefore it's covered up. So now he's out here and that, so I can pretty much say that I'm absolutely correct. So here he is, revving his engine. So here comes another one out here behind the two-story house. You can see there's the other one he exited. So he's continuing down the paint jumbo rev line. Now here comes another one. I'm gonna cut and save.